Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to use Google Gemini AI in mobile. So let's begin. So first of all, what you will need to do is that you will need to go inside the Play Store or the App Store, depends on the operating system that you're using. So I'm using the Android, so I have the Play Store. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to search for Gemini AI. We have to tap on Google Gemini, and you can see here I have already installed Google Gemini. So you just need to install it from here. Now we'll simply tap on open. So in Gemini AI, you can do a lot of the things and for free. So first of all, we can simply add a prompt, whatever we want. And we also have the other options that we can use to get the better results. So if I tap on the plus icon here, you can see I can use my camera to take a picture. I can use the gallery. I can upload a file, and I can also upload a drive link as well to add a reference, whether for the document, for the picture, or anything. Right now, I would like to go here with a picture in the gallery. We can also use the camera if you have some document to read or something like that. But right now, we're going to simply tap on gallery. And from here, I would actually like to add the picture of a code. So I'll tap on the picture. Now let's tap on done. And now you can see this, we have added our picture. Now based on this picture, we can extract the information about this picture. We can also ask the question based on it. So I'm going to simply ask, what do you think of this code and the image? Let's tap on submit. And now you'll be able to see that we are getting a proper explanation of the code that is written inside our picture. So you can see here that we are getting a response based on that. And also we can continue the conversation based on it. And after that, we have the three dots. So we have to tap on that. And you can see we have the multiple different options here as well. So if you want to do the deep research on a particular topic, you would actually select the deep research. If you want to create the docs and code, you would tap on the canvas. Then you have the guided learning. So if you want to learn something with Gemini, you can tap on guided learning. Then we have the image generation. So if you want to generate the image, you can tap on image. And similarly, if you want to generate videos, you can tap on video, and then you will need to add a prompt for that. And even though you can use it in the conversational way, so let's say I can simply just have any prompt here. Let's say, what is largest country by area? So let's tap on submit, and we'll have a response here. And the good thing about the Gemini, it does not only generate the response by itself, it looks for the internet for the relevant information, and it gives you response based on that relevant information. And similarly, if you wanted to access your previous conversation, you can simply tap on these three lines at the top left side, and you will be able to see the queries that you have asked earlier. And even if you want to go live with Gemini AI, you can simply tap on this, and it will be hearing your conversation on live, and it can respond to you based on that. But I'm gonna actually cancel this. And now if I just click on my profile picture, you will be able to see the different options here. So I'm gonna actually tap on settings, and in settings you can see that we have the different options in the Gemini setting. So you can see here that we have the Gemini's voice, then we have the captions preferences, then we have the language, then we have the screen context, then we can also see our subscription, and also you can see these options here. So this is how we can use Google Gemini AI in mobile. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.